I like light massagers. We got a massager here. What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. This one's going to be for the Kika K2 portable massager, and this is very small. This is a lot smaller than other massagers, and these are fantastic for just throwing in your gym bag, taking it on vacation, a weekend trip. If you're going surfing, you got sore muscles while you're watching TV after a nice koozie soak. Guys, the small massage guns are getting very popular because they're powerful, but yet they're so much more lighter, they're not bulky, and they do a great job as well. Again, this is the Kika K2. Just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is gonna be this exact same link where you guys can read more about it. Pick one up yourself. Let's get it out of the box and take it through the runs. So let's get the massager out and see what we got. Inside the box here, our little pamphlet, our little travel drawstring case here. Put the massager in there with your attachment. Take that to the gym, and our attachments here. We're gonna get to in just a second. This is very nice. This is beautifully small. Look at that, huh? I have big hands, but that is very, very nice. We have our Type-C charger input here, LED light here, on and off button right there, and mode changer as well. And let's take a look at our attachments. Ooh, wow, that is cool. I've never seen an attachment like this before. These are very small little bristles, as we can see there. That's cool. So let's go ahead and just show you real quickly. You shove that guy on in there like that. Look at how small that is. Hold that down for 1000, 1000. Then it lights up. Green indicator light there. Blue indicator light there. That's cool. That's on mode 1. That would be for very light, maybe the elderly. Hit that one more time. We go to green. And that's going really nice. I would definitely use it on 2 myself. Let's see. And we go up to red, and that is pumping out really nice power. I'm actually very impressed with how small that is. Oh, that's awesome. That is cool. This is tiny and powerful. Let's see if we have another one. Nope, we go down to yellow here, and that's going to be really, really light. As we can see there, that's very, very light. And then let's see if there's another one. And then off. So you have 1, low, blue, green, medium. Red is going to be ultra high. That's going to be for the athletes really wanting to pound out their muscles. That's really powerful. And then one more is going to be the weakest one. Very, very, very light. But let's say you're in, let's say the second one. 1000, 1000, and it would cut off completely so you don't have to run through the whole entire system. We have what feels to be aluminum. I mean, this thing is really, really light. Not much to it besides just a powerful massager. Let's go ahead and look at some of the other attachments here. They give you a spinal one for your legs or spine. They give you the bullet, I like to call it. This one is great, being able to pierce through your shoulders. And this is all like very nice, kind of like silicone feeling to it. That's not plastic. That has even a little bit of a give to it. These are great attachments. This one, this is silicone here, but then this is plastic right through here. Next up is going to be the rounder ball, which I love these right here. This again is like a silicone material, very little bit of give to it. That's a great attachment. And then we have, and this right here is a magnetic tip with a metal head. And this is great for circulation and all sorts of beautiful things. And this is a fantastic attachment I haven't seen before in other massagers. Being able to really massage out your legs after a hard workout. And then lastly, we have a flat ribbon USB to micro USB charging cable for the massager. The battery for the Kika is going to be a 1300 milliamp battery, weighing in at only 248 grams, which is only 8.75 ounces. Let's charge this guy up completely, and I'm looking forward to taking this into the gym tonight. Well, guys, we have a new setting behind me because I am on vacation and I took the Kika massager with me. Again, so small, just put it in my little drawstring bag. I brought a couple accessories out with me as well. Some of my favorite ones. We of course have the rounded head, but I've been using the one with a magnetic into it here, and it's being able to really get into those muscles nice. We also have this one here that Kika is saying that this one would be excellent for face as well. A lot of the ladies, they like to do the face mask, and this would go ahead and massage the face. We're gonna get examples of that in just a second, not with the face mask on, but massaging the face with the 4th setting, the very lightest setting. I'm very impressed though. I took this to the gym, and first and foremost, the gals at the gym really enjoyed it because it's so small, so light. You can pick it up and it's powerful as well, being able to massage. I was actually using it on the way to the gym, and it's kind of so discreet as you're in the car, it's a lot better than these massive massage guns like this. You could even take this to the office, being so quiet, where you literally could massage if you're having like some pain in your back, if you're having some pain in your arms. Obviously, due to the size of it, you will have to reach if you're going to your back like this, because it is so small, but these are perfect to be able to get. Obviously, you can still reach your back, but your legs, your arms, your shoulders, your forearms, if you're a tennis player, etc. So let's go ahead and get some examples here. So I like to go on number 2 setting there, the green LED light, and it's right next to the microphone. It's really quiet. You literally could be watching TV next to someone. You're not going to be disturbing anybody. You could be watching your Netflix show. And what I do is I just get all over my shoulders, right through these areas here. Frisbee disc golf played yesterday. If you don't throw it right, you can throw your arm out pretty quickly, especially after 18 holes. Throwing frisbees really aggressively, getting forearms, getting that tennis elbow, that strain in your forearm. Kickboxing classes is what I do, boxing classes, and we just beat our shoulders up. We beat, see, like right there is nice and sensitive. Sometimes if you don't give your body the rest it needs. And what this does is this just kind of helps you relax those muscles a little bit, get the tightness out of them. Your legs, I just like to literally, so I'm driving, and of course, be careful if you are driving and doing this, but I like to just massage my legs. You can also get your calf muscles up and down. But let me show you a couple seconds there, turn it off. Again, easily switches to the different ones here. Let me go ahead and show you this one real quick. This one is great because it is rounded and you're able to really dig in there, dig in that shoulder and get those points there. Again, this one has just a little bit of a give to it. That's a nice accessory head. But this one right here is, you want to go ahead and let me show you here. So we're going to click it and we're on the highest one right now, which again is that LED light, kind of an amber red. We're going to go to this color here and see that's again the lightest one, and just go ahead, and if you had a face mask on, or even go ahead and just perk up the cheek muscles a little bit as you're getting it all over. Get those neck muscles nice and loosened up a little bit. This would be great for the elderly, especially on that low of a setting, where if they're sensitive, they could try to just kind of lightly work their muscles and go through the angles and the modes. But they are advertising this setting and this accessory head for face masks. Of course, you could use it for other things as well. But overall, guys, I really, really like it. The gals, again, loved it at the gym. And it's so small that you can just throw that in your gym bag. The accessory bag does not take up much room at all. I literally threw this in my suitcase just like this. I took off the accessories, popped it in here, all three, 1, 2, and 3, drop it in like this, pull up my drawstring bag, and I'm out and about. Look at that. The whole entire thing is about as big as my palm right there. If you want to get your hands on this, if you want to read more about it, guys, in the description box below is going to be the link where you guys can read more about the Kika Massager. Pick one up yourself. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do review. But if you do have the cash and intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. That link will again be below. Thumbs that video up if you wouldn't mind. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and it's appreciation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're into it. We got a lot more videos like this on the way. See you then. Take care for now. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.